When it comes to window replacement, Tampa homeowners have many options to consider. However, vinyl windows continue to be one of the most popular choices for both new construction and remodeling projects. Their combination of energy efficiency, durability, affordability, and low maintenance makes them an attractive solution for homeowners looking to improve comfort and enhance their property's value. In a climate known for warm temperatures, high humidity, and frequent storms, selecting the right window material is an important decision. Vinyl windows offer several advantages that make them particularly well suited for homes in the Tampa area. Excellent energy efficiency. One of the biggest reasons homeowners choose vinyl windows is their energy efficiency. Modern vinyl windows are designed with insulated frames and advanced glass packages that help reduce heat transfer. Many models feature double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and gas-filled chambers that improve thermal performance. In Tampa's warm climate, these features help limit the amount of outdoor heat entering the home. As a result, air conditioning systems can operate more efficiently, helping homeowners maintain comfortable indoor temperatures while potentially reducing energy costs. Improved energy efficiency is often one of the first benefits homeowners notice after upgrading their windows. Resistance to humidity and moisture. Tampa's humid environment can be challenging for some building materials. Excess moisture can lead to warping, swelling, rotting, or deterioration over time. Vinyl windows are highly resistant to moisture-related issues. Unlike wood, vinyl does not absorb water, making it less susceptible to damage caused by humidity. This durability allows vinyl windows to maintain their appearance and performance even when exposed to Florida's demanding weather conditions. For homeowners seeking long-term reliability, moisture resistance is a significant advantage. Low maintenance requirements. Many homeowners prefer home improvements that provide lasting benefits without requiring frequent upkeep. Vinyl windows are known for their low maintenance needs. They do not require painting, staining, or refinishing to maintain their appearance. Routine cleaning with mild soap and water is often enough to keep them looking their best. Because vinyl resists corrosion, peeling, and fading, homeowners can spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying their homes. This convenience contributes to the ongoing popularity of vinyl window products. Durability. For long-term performance, modern vinyl windows are built to withstand years of everyday use and exposure to the elements. High-quality vinyl frames are engineered to resist cracking, chipping, and warping. They maintain their structural integrity even when exposed to fluctuating temperatures and prolonged sunlight. This durability helps ensure smooth operation and dependable performance for many years, making vinyl windows a smart long-term investment. Homeowners often appreciate the confidence that comes with choosing a window material designed for lasting reliability. Improved indoor comfort. Older windows can allow drafts, hot spots, and uneven temperatures throughout the home. Vinyl windows help create a tighter seal against air infiltration, reducing drafts and minimizing temperature fluctuations. Their insulating properties contribute to a more comfortable indoor environment year-round. Whether relaxing in the living room or spending time with family, homeowners benefit from a home that feels more consistently comfortable. Improved comfort is one of the most practical advantages of upgrading to modern vinyl windows. Enhanced noise reduction. Outside noise can sometimes affect the enjoyment of a home, especially in active neighborhoods or areas near busy roads. Many vinyl windows feature multi-pane glass systems that help reduce sound transmission. Combined with improved seals and insulated frames, these windows can create a quieter indoor environment. For homeowners seeking greater peace and relaxation, noise reduction can be an added benefit of window replacement. Attractive style options. Vinyl windows are available in a wide range of styles, colors, and configurations to complement different architectural designs. Popular options include double-hung windows, slider windows, casement windows, picture windows, awning windows, specialty shapes. This variety allows homeowners to select windows that enhance both the functionality and appearance of their homes. Modern vinyl windows can improve curb appeal while maintaining a clean, attractive look for years to come. A smart investment for Tampa Homes. Vinyl windows offer a combination of benefits that make them an excellent choice for Tampa homeowners. Their energy efficiency, moisture resistance, durability, low maintenance requirements, and attractive design options provide lasting value and everyday comfort. Whether replacing aging windows or upgrading an entire home, vinyl windows deliver reliable performance in Tampa's climate. For homeowners seeking an affordable and practical solution that enhances both comfort and efficiency, it's easy to see why vinyl windows remain one of the most popular window choices available today.